Hello everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you very much for clicking on my channel. For today, we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the Aftershokz wireless bone conduction headphones. This is the OpenMove. Now, these headphones are pretty interesting to me. Now, before I go ahead and go into it, just so you guys know, as you recall from the last video that I posted, I was going to go ahead and post some videos in regards to some of the tech gadgets that are out there for people that want to go ahead and do any kind of sport activities, cycling, out running, jogging, and things like that. Those type of gadgets that would be able to help them get a better workout. And so for this video, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of these headphones. And I saw already some people already did some reviews on them, and I kind of wanted to say, okay, well, let me go ahead and check these out for myself. I did have some Jaybird X3s that I used for basically 1 full year when I was doing some cycling. Now, I have to admit, they're good. I like them. The thing is, I would have to charge them basically after the second ride all the time, right? First, second ride, I would have to charge them. The one thing at the end that frustrated me about those headphones is that when you would go ahead and put them inside your ear, because those are the type that go inside your ear, whenever I would take them out, and this only happened to my left ear, whenever I would always take it out, the little cushiony part, little, rubbery part or whatever it is that cushions your the outer edge of your ear would always stay inside my ear, and that would come out with just the base part of the headphones. And that was frustrating because sometimes I would be like, somebody, you're going to talk to somebody or whatever it is, and you have your headphones on, and you would try to do this to pop the headphones out so that you could be able to talk to them and hear them correctly. And that would happen, and I'd be like, because I'm like, now that piece is stuck in my freaking ear, and I'm over here trying to dig it out to be able to go ahead and take it out. That is not, it pisses me off and it's frustrating, and I would not wear them after that. I stopped because it would happen maybe 5-6 times. Now, before anybody starts, making comments in regards to how I'm using it, I actually went ahead and changed the size of it. I probably felt that maybe I was putting them in too tight, so I went ahead and changed the size. I went to a smaller size. It still did it. And so the one thing about the Jaybird X3s is that there is no locking mechanism basically on the rubbery part when it goes over the speaker part of the headphones. It's just basically a slide through. That's all it is. So that's really why it's very easy to just pop out. And so to me, that is frustrating, right? So I started saying, okay, fine, forget it. I put those to the side. So I went ahead and I bought myself some Sony headphones, these right here. I went ahead and picked these up, and I said, all right, let me use those, because those actually just slide right in and they go into your ear, but they're tighter, so it doesn't fall off, right? That piece is not going to go ahead and fall off from your ear and stay inside your ear when you're pulling them out. It has a better locking mechanism when you're putting them in. And I said, let me go ahead and try those and see how those work. And I went ahead and I put them into my ear, and I've used those, I want to say maybe for the past, 4 months basically. Whenever I did bike riding, and I haven't really done as much bike riding as I should, but those were the ones that I was using. The one thing I noticed about those is that whenever I was riding, I always felt like, because they're inside your ear, it usually, it's a noise cancellation type of thing, so it blocks out everything around you. When I'm cycling, and if I'm cycling out in the street, I want to be able to go hear traffic at the same time, right? So I don't want to keep looking back, or to be able to see where traffic is and try to calculate how far they are from me. If it's somebody that's speeding, coming too close to me, I can't be able to tell because I can't hear, so I have to be doing a lot of the looking back and stuff like that. And so I would take one off, and I said, let me take one off so that way I could be able to hear traffic and what's going around me from my left ear, and be able to hear music coming into the right. The thing is, when I did that, it actually turned off the music completely from my headphones. And I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, what now, right? Why can't I be able to go ahead and just do this? It's almost like the greatest power up there is telling me, dude, could you just stop working out? Like, stop it already, I don't know why I felt that that's his accent. But anyways, and so to me, I kind of felt, okay, what's going on, man? So I still wear them, but now what I do is I actually go to the park or to Lakeshore Drive and use it down that way. But it's always good to be able to go ahead and have some kind of an alert of what's around you. Because even if you go to a trail like Lakeshore Drive, you got other cyclists out there, you know, you have other people running out there, you got kids running out there and stuff like that. You want to be out there and be able to know your surroundings. And so, yes, they do block everything out. And if it's an open road and there's nobody around you, then they're perfect. But I said, well, is there something like this that doesn't cover my ear, does not go inside my ear, does not cover it this way as a big cup over my earlobe? Is there something out there like that? And I ran into this. So I said, let me go ahead and open this up and try it out. Because yes, I'm very skeptical when it comes to something like this, right? Because I'm thinking, how loud is the music? It's supposed to go here, right? It's supposed to go here and then go around, and that's it, right? So there's nothing inside your ear. Now, this is going to be a good test because when I put on my bike helmet, I got my straps going down this way, right? So now I'm going to be having my straps going down this way. Hopefully I'll have my vaccine by then, so I don't have to be covering my mask anymore. And then have this thing around. And let's see how good that is. I want to be able to go ahead and see how good is the quality when it comes to music coming into my ear, that I could be able to zone out and just hear the music, but at the same time be alert of what's going on around me. And so some of the people that I've saw that, you know, some people that have actually posted reviews on this, they like it because it keeps them alert on what's going on, right? Somebody beeps at you, somebody says, hey, watch out, or whatever. They could be able to go ahead and hear that if you're out in the street. If you're down a trail or you're biking downtown, you could be able to hear the runners passing by you and say, on your left, right? Because normally they tell you where they're coming by you. So that way you don't swerve to the left or anything like that. Sometimes you hear a biker, you know, watch your left, because he's zooming right by you, right? And so you could be able to go ahead and adjust your lane so that way you're not in their way, you don't cause an accident or anything like that. This one supposedly is able to give you 6 hours of music. And again, we're going to go ahead and try that out. But it's supposed to give you 6 hours of music. It has IP55, meaning that it's sweat resistant, right? Which it should be, right? Because that's what it's for. It uses Type-C charging, which is perfect, right? Because that's what you want. It's supposed to be a secure titanium fit, so it's not going to be heavy, right? Made out of titanium, so it's going to be a nice light type of headset. It's supposed to give you 2.0 stereo sound quality out of it. I'm excited. I want to go ahead and try these out because I want to be able to see how good it sounds. So I'm going to be taking this out on my next couple of bike rides. But for now, let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what comes inside the box. All right. So here we have the headphones. I'm excited. I think that if these are good enough to give you the quality of audio when you're jamming to some music or on a phone call and still be able to hear your surroundings, that's not bad. I mean, let's look at it this way. These headphones is going to be more for people that are out there exercising, biking, running, just to be aware of their surroundings. So it's going to matter. You know, you want to go ahead and have quality. Well, they feel pretty good. They're not that heavy. They're really light. I know the strap back here is made out of titanium, so it's bendable, it's flexible, it's not going to break on you. So you do have some magnets at the ends here. They're sticking to each other. Now, this is the part that's actually going to be delivering you that technology that they're talking about, and it's going to go ahead and go through your cheekbone, and that's what's going to be able to give you that technology of hearing music. Here's the Type-C connector to charge it. You have your buttons up here as well. You have the power, and then you have your volume up and down. So that's good. Now, I do have to say the quality that was put into these things, amazing. They feel very light. They feel very comfortable. But again, it all depends on when you're out doing your activity, where the comfort is really going to fall in. So, but here you have the technology. This is what's basically going to be on your cheekbone, and this is where the music or that technology is going to come through for you to be able to go ahead and hear the music. So let's go ahead and put these down, and let's go ahead and actually go through the box and see what else is in here. So let's see. Okay, we have a card here. Okay, so this is your warranty card, 2 years. Go ahead and register the product, make sure you're covered. That way, if anything should happen, go ahead and get yourself a new pair. Nothing else in the box. Let's move this to the side. All right. Okay, we got some earplugs. Oh, I could see where you could go ahead and use these if you want to go ahead and not hear the environment or your surroundings. You put these on and basically all you hear is the music. All right, so let's take a look at the bag. This feels really soft. Okay, Aftershock symbol right there. So basically, the bag is going to be for you to just store them away. I mean, you're not going to carry this bag with you if you're going to be out doing some kind of activity. You're just going to put on the headset. I don't see why you would want to carry the bag with you, but, it is available. So that's a plus. So they do fit in there nicely. So let's move the bag out of the way. Let's see what else we got. All right, let's see. Let's open this one. Just tear it apart. But what the? All right, well, they make pretty good, strong bags. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, this is just the charging cable. So thank God that bag was nice and strong to protect this. But all it is just your charging cable, Type-C. Now, they did mention that it looks like for a full charge is about 2 hours. So that's not bad. I mean, after you go do some activities, go ahead and charge it for 2 hours. And you get 6 hours back of playtime. Not bad. Here's your instructions, maintenance. And then you also have your... Okay, so it's the little quick starter card here. So this way you can be able to know how to pair it and how to be able to use the controls that are on the headset. Go ahead and pair these. I want to see how fast it is to be able to go ahead and pair it with your phone. So let's go ahead and do that now. Get this set up. While I'm setting this up, just want everybody to know these are actually certified IP55 headphones, which repels sweat, dust, moisture, which is perfect, right, for workouts of any sport or activity that you're doing out there. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. It's pairing. Hopefully we'll start seeing. Oh, there it is. All right, the Aftershokz. It's connected. Oh, that was pretty quick. So let's go ahead and put them on. And let me go to my account here for Spotify. And let's see how good is the quality of music playing. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. Right now that I raised the volume, it actually vibrated against my cheekbone. But the quality is amazing. It's not bad. I could see where certain people, this headset is going to be a plus. You need this. This is something that's going to be good for you in regards to the activity, anything that you're doing out there. Now, it's not going to be for everybody. If you want some kind of headphones that just noise cancels out everything that's going on, then these headphones are not going to be for you. But if you need to be aware of your surroundings, everything that's going on, and at the same time enjoy some music coming through your headphones, then these are it. These would be the ones. And I don't think you'll be regretting these. But again, this is something that's going to be fun. But thank you very much for checking out the unboxing. I got to admit, I was excited on this one. So thank you very much. I'll put the links down on the bottom for this item. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And until then, have a good one, guys. Take care of each other and be safe. Adios.